Hello students, welcome back again to Career Power Hyderabad powered by ADA 24/7. So students, we will discuss about SSC JD Constable Recruitment 2021. A very good news for all the aspirants. So before going into the recruitment, please subscribe our channel. Please download our Career Power Hyderabad app. We provide coaching for Bank SSC RRB as well as for Police Constable. So do download the app, which will be very useful for your SSC General Duty Constable recruitment. So a very good news, a huge recruitment for the staff selection. It is by the Staff Selection Commission General Duty Constable. So let us go into the details. So the application starts today. You can apply for the job today itself from 17 July. And the application will end on 31st August. Don't delay for applying. So a very minimal fees of ₹100. So I apply it today itself. So please apply as early as possible. So it will create a lot of confidence in you so that you will prepare well for the examination. So exam date is not yet notified. So whenever we get a notification, definitely we'll update you on the exam date. So let us see who are participating in this recruitment. So the Central Armed Police Forces, the Border Security Force, Industrial Security Force, Reserve Police Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Sahastra Seema Bal, National Investigation Agency, Secretariat Security Force, as well as Assam Rifles are participating in this recruitment. So you can join any of these forces. So your interest. So people mainly who are preparing for army, preparing for police, it's a good opportunity for you. You can join any of these beautiful, best elite forces in India. So for male, there are total 22,424 vacancies, huge vacancy for males. And for female, 2,847 vacancies, huge vacancies both for male and female. Good opportunity, don't miss, very, very important notification. So if you see the age limit, so your must be between age of 18 to 23. So the candidate must be between the age of 18 to 23, but there is an age relaxation. So if you see the age relaxation for OBC, other backward classes, you can write up to 26 years, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe 28 years, ex-servicemen who belong to general category 26, ex-servicemen of OBC 29, ex-servicemen of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe 31 years. So very good opportunity, please concentrate on this notification. So if you see the educational qualifications, minimum qualification, that is 10th class or matriculation. So simply if you are 10th pass, you can apply for this notification. So let us see the selection process, which is a 4-stage process. The first one is written exam, which is computer based. Next is physical efficiency test. The next one is physical standard test. And the last one is medical test. So in the written examination, which is total 100 marks, 100 questions and 90 minutes of duration. So this test consists of 4 parts. The reasoning of 25 questions, general awareness of 25 questions, elementary maths of 25 questions, English or Hindi of 25 questions. You can choose either English or Hindi and you need to write 25 questions on these topics. Okay, but remember here there is a negative marking of 0.25 for each wrong answer. So please keep in mind there is negative marking for each wrong answer. So let us see the next stage of physical efficiency test, where you need to run 5 kilometers in 24 minutes for male candidates, 1.6 km in 8.5 minutes for female candidates who are belonging to areas other than Ladakh. If you are belonging to Ladakh region, male should run 1.6 in 6.5 minutes and 800 meters in 4 minutes. So physical standard test, the third stage is physical standard test, where height for general, scheduled caste and OBC, male must be 170 and female must be 157. The height for scheduled tribe must be 162 for male and 150 for female. So chest expansion is mainly for males. So for general, scheduled caste and OBC 80/5, and for scheduled tribe it is 76/5. So please maintain these physical standards, very, very important. Physical standards are very important for police recruitments. So online fees is very minimal, 100 rupees for general male. For rest others, female, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, ex-serviceman, there is no fee. So please note this point, there is no fee. The people are exempted. For general, there is 100 rupees fee. Okay. So cutoff, if you see the last year cutoff, so Andhra Pradesh cutoff is 49 and Telangana cutoff is 46. Okay. So you can see the detailed cutoff of every state in the notification. So just generally we gave a like a brief about Andhra and Telangana. So we'll provide the link of the notification in the description. So do download the notification and study the entire notification if you are interested, and if you are interested, or if possible. So that is our video today. So how to apply, we'll make a video soon. So watch the video and apply for the notification as soon as possible. So fasten your seatbelt, students. A lot of examinations are coming, bank, SSC, RRB. So please concentrate on general studies, concentrate on current affairs, concentrate on aptitude, reasoning, English. Most important for you. So in order to gain a lot of knowledge in these subjects, you can join our Telegram group. You can download our Career Power Hyderabad app. We provide coaching for bank, SSC, RRB. So do download our app. We provide coaching for these particular subjects. You will become excel in these subjects, which will definitely help you to crack an examination. So do join our YouTube channel, subscribe our channel, share the channel with your friends. So thank you, students. We'll meet in the next session.